Welcome to Dividend Income. In this video I'm going to talk about ETFs I've been buying. These are new positions. I've been fully focused on individual stocks and felt it was the time to also contribute to an ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It is a type of investment fund and exchange traded product which are traded on stock exchanges. ETFs are a great way of diversifying your portfolio at a low buying entry. The first ETF I've been buying is the JPMorgan Equity Premium Income ETF. Ticker symbol JEPI. It has had a 52-week high of $63.67 and a low of $49.92. I bought in at $51.77. It has a current yield of 11.7%. The dividend amount fluctuates each month. This is because JEPI generates income through a combination of selling options and investing in US large cap stock, seeking to deliver a monthly income stream from associated option premiums and stock dividends. So depending on how well they do, this determines the dividend payment. Now this might be disconcerting to some investors who like to know what they will be paid each month, but looking at their history you can see that the returns have been very high. The dividends are usually paid somewhere between the 4th and 7th of each month. The next dividend has not been declared yet. The last dividend payment was on the 6th of October for just over 48 cents. JEPI has a total net asset of 12.5 billion and 254.88 million shares outstanding. Like all good ETFs, JEPI has a diverse sector exposure covering communication services, consumer discretionary, staples, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, information technology, materials, real estate, utilities, and some other miscellaneous ones. Information technology, industrials, healthcare and financials and also staples have got a really good percentage in. The top 10 holdings include Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, which is Google's holding company, Amazon and Tesla. These are premium growth stocks that will grow in stock price over the next decade. Stocks that you like but as a dividend investor may not own as it does not pay a dividend. In their entire holdings they have 122 stocks. Notable mentions of stocks in my watch list that I have not bought yet include Chevron, Visa, Texas Instruments, Lowe's, Berkshire Hathaway and Costco. All stocks that have performed well over the last few years. If we look at the last couple of years, the stock growth has not been great, almost hitting its starting price. It only started in May 2020 and there has been a lot of global issues. It will be interesting to see how it performs over the next 12 months. The other ETF I've been buying is Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, ticker symbol SCHD. The Charles Schwab Corporation is a savings and loan holding company. The company, through its subsidiaries, engages in wealth management, securities brokerage, banking, asset management, custody, and financial advisory services. It has had a 52-week high of $82.48, a low of $65.96. I bought in at $69.75. The Schwab ETF was started in 2011. It has total assets of over 37 billion. Again, very diverse. The Schwab ETF has very little overlap in stocks with JEPI, which is what I wanted. There's a lot of stocks I like that I don't own. Looking down the list, Lockheed Martin, Home Depot, BlackRock, Prudential, Huntington Bank Shares, NRG Energy. Well diversified across sectors. Again, information technology, financial, staples, healthcare, industrials. If we look back at the ETF inception date of 2011, the stock has really grown, which is great to see. Stock price growth and decent yield is a perfect combo. It has a yield of 3.4%. Like JEPI, the dividend payments fluctuate. Although they do fluctuate, we can see that over the last few years it has been increasing. The last payment was for just over 63 cents. Dividend payments are paid in March, June, September and December. The next dividend payment is on the 12th of December and the ex-dividend cut-off date is the 7th of December. In total, so far I've picked up 9 JEPI and 2 of the Schwab ETF. I'm interested to see what you have been buying and why. Please leave any recommendations in the comments. Thanks for watching. Quick disclaimer now. As always, you should do your own research when investing. I'm not a financial advisor and these are my own personal views. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And here are 2 more videos you might be interested in.